morning, one and all present. Good morning, one and all present here. Today, I am Mridula from grade 6, standing in front of you to welcome to conduct the special assembly on the Indian Air Force Day. First, I would like to welcome our school humble secretary, Mr. Riaz Khan sir, our beloved principal, Dr. P. Lakshmi ma'am, dear teachers, and my fellow students. Once again, I welcome you all for this special assembly on the Indian Air Force Day. Thank you. Have a festive Friday and Air Force Day to all.
For your hearty welcome. A meaningful thought is a unique place in our life. So here is Matin Pasha for Thought of the Day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Matin Pasha. I am studying in grade 6. Thought for day. Never fly in same cockpit with someone braver than you. I repeat it. Never fly in same cockpit with someone braver than you. Thank you. Have a festive Friday. Happy Indian Air Force Day.
Thank you, Matin, for your motivational thought. Now it is time to know about today's news. For that, I would like to call Ujjwal to update the news.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ujjwal Krishna S. I am studying in grade 6. Today's news, national news. UP2 arrested for abducational rape of Dalit girl. BJP for lifting of weekend curbs at temple in Tamil Nadu. Mineral dust from pack polluted Delhi studies. International news. Afghanistan Myanmar will not address UNGA. For Pakistani security, 86 run. Anush take home silver medal. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Ujjwal, for your news updation. Now I would like to call Pranavi to propose significance of the day.
Good morning everyone present here. My name is Pranavi S. Reddy, studying in grade 6. India observes Indian Air Force Day every year on October 8 because on this day the Air Force in India was officially raised as the supporting force of the Royal Air Force of the United Kingdom in 1932. Every year, Indian Air Force Day is celebrated at Hindon Air Force, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Pranavi, for your significance. Now, I would like to call Disha to say the amazing fact on this special day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Disha Reddy Ji. I am studying in grade 6. Amazing fact on Indian Air Force Day. Indian Air Force is the 4th largest air force in the world. The US, Russia and China are ahead of India. The Indian Air Force made a world record while saving people during Uttarakhand flash floods. Thank you. Have a faithful Friday. Happy Indian Air Force Day.
Thank you, Disha. Now, I would like to call Isran Khan for quiz.
Good morning everyone. My name is Isran Khan, studying in grade 6. Today's quiz question. First question. When is International Air Force Day celebrated? Correct answer. The answer is 8 October. Second question. Which country has world's biggest Air Force army? Wrong answer. The correct answer is the United States of America. Who was the first and only the Paramveer Chakra of an Indian Air Force? Correct answer is Nirmatjit Singh. Fourth question. What is the full form of IAF? Correct answer. The correct answer is Indian Air Force. Fifth question. Where is the headquarters of Indian Air Force? The answer is New Delhi. How many aircraft carriers does India have? There is 2. Which animal is the number 1 squadron of the Indian Air Force name? The question. Which animal is the number 1 squadron of the Indian Air Force name? There is the tiger. Eighth question. What was the prior name of Indian Air Force? My question. What was the prior name of Indian Air Force? Answer is Royal IAF. Ninth question. What is the name of the special force of IAF? Answer is God Commando Force. Thank you. Have a friendly Friday.
Thank you, Ishan, for making us to know more about this day. It is time to convey hearty thanks. For that, I am calling Bushra to deliver vote of thanks.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bushra Anjum, studying in grade 6. Now I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to our beloved principal Dr.
P. Saru Lakshmi ma'am for giving an opportunity to conduct the special assembly on the Indian Air Force Day. I thank all my teachers and my fellow friends for your active participation. Once again, thank you everyone. Have a friendly Friday. Happy Indian Air Force Day.